Hello. Hello. Good morning. It is no longer morning, it is the afternoon. I've had a slow start today. Apologies for that. And guess what? I'm still trying to make the chest work. And so I'm literally just running one more test as we speak, and then all goes well, I'll move on. Something more interesting. Let me just link the stream in case there's any interested people wanting to watch. As you can see, I've got the sand over Bonelab now, just for the hell of it. But I thought, you know what? Let's just make it. Let's just make it interesting. I'm dropping the link. The link has been dropped. Anywhere else I should drop it? I don't know. I'm good. Okay. Let's check it out, dude. Have to put my hands. First thing, I want to get the chat in the game so I can see you. You say something. You see something, say something. That's all I ask. Let's just put you over here. Oh boy. Alright. Here we go. Alright. Oh, I messed it up. Alright, we're good. I got the chat in the game and everything, and good to go. So let's, if you're wondering why I'm on Halfway Industrial Park instead of the map that I've been making, the reason is simply because I am working on the chest, and because I am a mess, it's on the same project, and to make it faster, I'm just not exporting the whole level at the same time. I'm literally just... Why is it so big still? It's not actually that big, it looks crazy, but... So it's possible that this did not update at all or do anything changed. I need to scoot back a little so my desk isn't in the way. So as you can see, I can open the chest, no problem. But the problem is I can't grip the lid, and I really want to. So, I have the developer tools open right now in Unity, supposedly. And clicking the button Reload Palette Avatar Tutorial, because that is still the name of it. Wonder what I should do about that. Okay, so that does in fact reload the level, so that's good. Yeah, this should have... The preview mesh shouldn't be so big. You feel me? Shouldn't be so big. I don't know, let's try it again. If I don't find any success right now, I'm just gonna move on to trying to make big spiders. It is gonna be a shorter stream today, after all I started late, and I don't want to get burned out, you know? I want to keep having fun here. And I am having fun, of course. Gotta be careful. I want to do it too much and wear myself down. Okay, so... does this or does this not seem different now? I wonder if it's in other. Just sorted by author. Alright, it still looks huge before I put it in, but you can see that little box, that's the actual size of it. There it goes. Why it's like that. And I can't lift. I can't grab. Maybe I just messed it up. I'm so confused. This is all so confusing. Alright. Come on. There we go. Alright, this is the chest. See it in its pure form right here. I have this cylinder grip right here with a radius of 0.25. As far as I'm aware, I did everything right and they indicted me. Why don't I have like a... shouldn't there be a slot for the grip collider, or for the cylinder collider that this is referring to? The capsule collider? Or does it just automatically work? It's really pretty confusing because I have colliders on this and so I can grab these, I think. Pretty sure. I don't really know. Didn't I just say if this didn't work I was gonna move on? I swear. Never listen. Alright. One thing I wanted to do right away was delete this dumbass rope. because it's super fucked up, and additionally, bad, and also, I don't like it. Anyway, let me delete this out of here, because I actually already have a spawner there that you can't see for some reason. But there is indeed a spawner there. Put it in this. Yeah, here it is. Grab all of these and okay. That's fine. It's all fine. Alright, well, I guess I'm not... I don't know. Like, part of me wants to, like, work on the level, and part of me wants to, just ride around in a go-kart. I don't know if I should fight the part of me that wants to ride in a go-kart. Let's see. Making spiders is going to involve, I think, making a new project. Making a whole new Unity project, essentially. I think is ideal? I think. But I'm not 100% sure. Oh boy. Let's get some tutorials. How are custom NPCs created? We got a thread. Having trouble with NPCs? Ask me for help. I made NPC SDK and NPC prefabs. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's live. You can chat. You can talk to me. I kind of forgot I was streaming too for a second. I'm just trying to learn how to make custom NPCs right now because I'm gonna make giant spiders. I don't know yet. I'm going to try to figure that out. That is the goal. I'm gonna change the little We're no longer testing the chest because I don't want to anymore. I am working on custom NPCs. Giant spiders. See that up in the top corner there? Great. Okay. Long run. That's a tough level. I don't blame you. Is it your first time playing through it? Good luck. Best of luck. Bonelab. Is it your first time playing through Bonelab? Yeah, have you figured out, have you mastered, like, putting your hands on the floor and, like, lifting yourself up onto a platform or something? Because that's really handy for that. You have to, like, put your hands on the thing and then actually, like, put your real hands, like, on the floor. And you can also use the crouch to help out with that. If you crouch, it kind of makes it easier. You have to be a little careful. Have I been in Bonelab? Like in real life? I don't understand the question. I've played Bonelab a lot, yeah. I love it. Boneworks was my first like VR game that I ever fully played once I got my own VR headset like 4 years ago. I got my own headset. I got Boneworks, the previous game before Bonelab, and just straight up fell in love with it, and it made me love VR, and it ruined every other VR game after that because nothing is as good. Nothing feels as real. Rec Room, yeah. I haven't played that game actually. I'm not a very social person, so I don't play VR to pretend like I'm around people. I don't want to be around people. I haven't played that either, but it seems fun. Let me just see if I can locate Bonelab NPC SDK. Yep. Here we go, custom NPC SDK guide. You do not have permission to view custom NPC SDK. Well, that is unfortunate, I must say. That really puts a roadblock in my way. Maybe it's just an old page. Let's see, basic custom NPCs start with this. Aha! Oh, this video isn't available anymore. Why? What do I have to do? I gotta, there's gotta be... Okay, all the videos are deleted. Videos linked don't seem to be online anymore. I love Bonelab so much, honestly. It's like, it's one of the most fun VR games in my opinion, because of the physics engine. It's just fun doing anything. Running around. I kind of want to speedrun it. I had the idea to make a map. Have you seen Only Up? Or like Getting Over It? I have an idea to make sort of like a map like that where you have to climb like really, really high and not fall down, kind of like that in a Bonelab. I think that could be interesting. No, what? Oh, you haven't seen Only Up? Check it out. It's pretty entertaining. You should check it out. How to make a basic NPC, we gotta document. Gorilla Tag is kinda toxic. I hear that from everybody. Straight up. What's up with that? What's going down in Gorilla Tag? What do we have here? Ah, pictures and words. Made a good NPC guide for Boneworks that still applies to Bonelab NPCs. It's much better than my guide video. And made a good guide to NPC SDK guide. Okay. Just camping? So you just hide? I mean, that's allowed in tag. That's not like necessarily a toxic behavior. This sounds like a... Hey, hello Hunter. I think I've seen your channel. Yeah, it's nice to see, nice of you to visit. I'm trying to figure out how to make NPCs right now. This seems to be the closest thing. Bike camping, like in real life? That seems fun. Yeah, if you want to see like the level I've been working on, you can check out like an older video, because obviously this is like part 16. But I've been working on like an RPG dungeon level, and I've got like a couple different like loot stashes and stuff. It's coming along pretty well. Okay. So I'm guessing that these NPC bases come with the SDK, so I'm gonna go ahead and download that. Yeah. Oh, let me open this in a different browser. Excuse me. Thank you. I'm pretty sure I've seen your I think I'm subscribed to your channel if I'm not mistaken. Oh. Is there an blender? I don't know how to respond to that. Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, I downloaded BoneZ. I've been wanting to check it out. That's very cool. Yeah. I love zombies. I've been playing it since like literally World at War zombies. I've been playing, so it's really cool that I love that it gets ported into every single VR game. It's just beautiful. You have Blender as in like Blender 3D. I'm still just getting a 404 error, which is not ideal. Noct is gonna have a change of guns in the next coming updates, make them World at War guns. I'm currently working on rebuilding the round system, perk machines, pack a bunch. If you have any ideas, feel free to let me know. For sure, for sure. Yeah, I mean, I assume, are you gonna start working on like other maps once you have the kind of all the systems in place? By the way, the NPC SDK seems to be like exploded off the internet. I have no idea where it is. It doesn't seem to exist any longer, if anything. The heck, man. Yeah, I'm kind of like, we have Baroque, Nuketown. Nice. Those are all good ones. You know what the good ones are, at least. Yeah, I think it's really cool that you're, working on the code mods right now. Did you continue your game? Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, but I'm like really hoping that the official like support for the extended stuff is like kind of right around the corner. You know, here's the thing, right? They announced Bonelab 1 week, literally 7 days before it came out. Eventually, can't wait to see what people make out of it. That's so cool, yeah. I'm very excited to see all the maps people make. But anyway, my point is that they're very like opaque, right? You don't know what they're doing. They're just like working, they're plugging away, but then they're just gonna release something. Yeah, I think like they definitely, you know, see that people are like concerned, and I think if they wait too long, I think like no matter what, when they release it, there's gonna be a resurge of like a lot of people playing it and stuff. But if they wait too long, you know, like I feel like we're on like the we need to catch up, you know, we need to stay in the game. But I believe in them. I've been watching Brandon's content since like the Freddy W videos and stuff. And when he split off to like make games, I was like, hey, that's sick. And then Boneworks was like my first ever VR game that I really could play after I got my own headset, and just love it so much. What do I do about the NPCs? It's nice the community came together to create an SDK we can all utilize. Yeah, for sure. I agree. I'm just like hedging my... I don't know if that's the right word, but I'm just like hoping it's gonna come out soon, and then I can actually like really get into making more complex mods then. Because I know Unity really well, but like I feel like if I get super deep into the custom stuff that the community has made, like it's not that I don't think it's worth it. I just feel like more people are going to play what I actually make, and I just have so much that I can work on and figure out before, like in the meantime, with what is here officially. So I'm just like opting personally to base NPC prefab in the doc. The creator of that documentation is actually on the BoneZ team. No way, the one I'm looking at right now? That's crazy. If it's Dusty. This says, this mentions Dusty. Dusty is the owner of this. But yeah, I don't know, they got these docs are just linking me to a bunch of depreciated things. I don't know what's happening. Sick. Trash can is the best shield. Yeah, but I go to, you mean like the GitHub, right? Base NPC, wait, what's this? One-handed sword NPC, gun NPC, okay, I see that. Need swipes to match. Here's the SDK. Aha! Aha! Oh-ho! Oh-ho! The other one that I found was gone, so this is something. Is this what I need? Oh, this is a fork of the extended SDK too. Okay, great. Alright, so I guess I'll just make a new Unity project then. I can just, because I'm creating some big spiders out of the crablets. So do you think I can just, once I create the new project, just like import the palette into my main project? The SDK allows you to go beyond just making avatars. Right, okay, I got you, yeah. Okay, yeah. That's what I thought, I wasn't exactly sure. I'm glad you're still with us, Rock. Okay. It's fine. Cool. We'll call this we'll just call it spiders. This is truly the best soundtrack of all time. You mean for the whole entire week that we weren't anticipating it? I killed for Acropolis. It sounds like you're being possessed, I'm not gonna lie. Oh wait, they announced it like sooner? I thought, yeah, I thought it was like a decent. I thought it was more than a week, but I checked that like when they released the announcement trailer on YouTube and when they released the release trailer. Corroborat. That doesn't make it any clearer for me, honestly, what you're trying to say. April of 2022. Oh, really? That's actually like a couple months before they actually released it, but I feel like that's not that bad. You know, we have like Elder Scrolls 6, which isn't coming out until like 2030. Oh. I can't believe that's what you were trying to say. I honestly am amazed. Alright, yeah, I'm definitely gonna play Starfield because I love Elder Scrolls and Bethesda, but I'm skeptical, I won't lie. But I do think it'll be good, at least. Like, it's gonna be super buggy, of course, you know? But honestly, maybe they've taken all this time to like actually fix their damn engine and like fix their work ethics. Alright, let's import this thing. Yeah. And I do think they take care of their projects, like, all the time. I just think they had a mentality of, like, Oh yeah, this is good enough. Let's move on to something else for like most of their games ever since like Morrowind. and I mean it works, you know. Their games like mostly work most of the time. Except for the game-breaking bugs. Nice. Alright, let's import this one. Render pipeline core. I need a spider model, I just realized that. Am I going to make a spider model or just download a spider model? It definitely did. It definitely, Fallout 76 definitely tarnished their, name. It's a bummer. It is. I never played it. I'm sure a lot of people never played it, but has it gotten better over time? Do you know? Like, does anybody play it? Alright, custom URP. Sorry you can't really see what I'm doing right now. It's just importing packages. It's nothing important. Nothing interesting going on. Popularity grew. Well, that's good. And I'm sure at the end of the day it's a good game. It's just like I don't think it's what people wanted in general, but like core Bethesda fans, I don't think that's really what they were looking for. But it's a thing. I'm not really like I'm not like a hardcore Bethesda fanboy or anything, so I wasn't like fully invested in it or anything. I just heard it was a shit show. You can call them gunners. It's a free country. Almost done here. Yeah, I just don't think there's any other Leave the Planet if I've seen that though. If you saw what? I'm sorry, I forgot. Last one. Hello, Purple. You are extremely late. What a sketch fab link. Oh, I don't see it for some reason. Let me try looking at it on the other page here. Yeah, I can't see it for some reason. I think YouTube probably automatically like blocked it. There's like 3 people in here. This is the most people I've ever had in this live stream. Oh, it doesn't even show me like that it's held for review, so it probably just like nuked it as soon as you posted it. I don't know, maybe if you have a Discord, you should definitely add me on Discord. My Discord is the same as my YouTube username, which is just dispenser with like the 3 instead of the E. Okay, I have all the things installed. I'm clicking update Bonelab. Alright, cool. Alright, validating, fixing all problems. I don't see it. I mean, I'm dumb with when it comes to Discord, but I'll try sending you a request, cause I don't know. I'm glad you're having fun, Rock. I don't know, like, yeah, I'm happy for you. Hunter. Okay, I sent you a request because I didn't see yours, so hopefully that works out. Oh, I got you. Okay. Sick. Alright, cool. No issues found in project. Okay. So let me oh, you just sent me a spider model. Nice. How much is this? Oh, is it free? Oh, that's scary. That is fucking terrifying. Why is it so shiny? You know? God. Alright, this'll work for now for sure. Yeah, I'll log in. It's more terrifying because it's shiny. My Sketchfab information is wrong. This is terrible. Life is hard. You're only 8? You're not allowed to be on the internet, buddy. I'm calling the cops. I'm just kidding. I'm not actually calling the cops, by the way. It's what you're doing is perfectly lawful. Do not be concerned. Alright. You watch Rated R? Okay, now I'm actually calling the cops. Just kidding. Alright, this is fun. I'm trying to reset my Sketchfab password. This is great. I accept your terms. Alright, I'm downloading the model. FBX sounds good. Author must be credited. Commercial use is allowed. What kinds of kind of rated R do you watch? Just so I can report it to the authorities. Okay, what let me get these credits copied. BoneZ development equals no sleep. You're doing it right. I mean, fun. It's fun not sleeping. For me, it's 1:30 p.m. So watch the old it in with the new it. I don't even know what that means. Sounds like something you probably shouldn't watch. All right. Jeez. Let's Pennywise movie. Oh, okay. 6 p.m. That's not that late. You should probably get some dinner. Models. Don't worry, soon things will be on screen that are interesting. Tracked files. Okay. What have we got? It's a spider. It's already in walk mode. What kind of rig should I give it? Does it need to have like an avatar? Do we have like, where do I have to download the like crab prefab somehow, if I'm not mistaken. I did download the right SDK, right? I just downloaded the one it's told me to, so yeah, extended Miro SDK. Yep. Probably just need to follow more steps now. That fills me with warmth and joy. I'm looking at the screenshot that you sent me with the perk machines and the box and everything, and it just makes me feel warm and fuzzy inside, like I just swallowed a baby chinchilla. I really wanna get into that. Maybe tonight I'll stream some gameplay of that, of BoneZ. Hell yeah. Alright, let me see if I can follow instructions. In step 6, you'll import these yada yada yada. Let me make sure I did everything right so far. Give you the new build? No way, homie. I'm so excited. Finishing off the round system? Sick. Alright, got Git. Da-da-da. Got the right version. I did use the right Unity version, right? Oh no! I used 1.3.8! I should be able to just close it and open it in the right version, right? Oh no! I'm such a doof! It should be fine. It should be fine. It'll be. Yeah, it's okay. Continue. Purple, how is, are you still there? How's your life going? It's been a few days. Oh yeah, I'm sorry I haven't finished finished your avatar. I forgot to like change that one material on it. Just loading up Unity. Hey, there we go. Yeah. Alright, let's keep chugging along here with the instructions. Dun 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 dun. You're lost in Bonelab. That's impressive because the levels aren't even that big. I'm not gonna lie. What level are you on? Alright, unzip its contents. Oh yeah, I never actually downloaded the dang thing. You're still in long run? Isn't that the level with the bridges? No, that's high rise or something. Like, am I remembering the wrong level? Let me check. Bonelab long run. It's been a while since I played through the campaign. Yeah, I don't even remember this level. You should just look up a guide if you've been stuck on it for like months. At that point, you should probably just watch a guide. It's my recommendation. Yes, eternally dumb. I did make that chest grip in the Lava Gang server. It still doesn't work though. So I just decided to move on because I don't know I don't know what the problem is. I'll figure it out eventually, but you know how it is. Use the greens, yada yada. Unzip its content into your assets folder. No problem. Going in. Oh, that sounds awesome. Yeah, thank you. You may have helped. Well, thank you. This is weird. There's like 4 people in here, and I've never had more than like 1 person at a time in this stream. This is fun. Sorry, it's kind of boring right now. I'm trying to get the NPC SDK set up. I really don't. I'm almost there. It's just I'm downloading everything. You know. All right, it's reloading the script assemblies and things. But yeah, for the lid of the chest thing, I'm definitely going to use like a capsule collider along the edge instead of like a whole box script. I think that'll just make it easier to control, I guess. I don't know. Alright, what do we got? A lot of shit. Also includes Puppet Master script. Yeah. Cartridges, magazine. Where are the NPCs? Am I missing something? That's generally the case. NPC avatar. Okay. This is a script. You know you have skins before you even unlock them? Yeah, you can well, it depends. I mean, I think the ones that you unlock throughout the story are like there, but you can't see them. Maybe I'm just literally making that up, I don't know. But you can always just Google what skins are in Bonelab. Why am I opening the script? I don't feel like I'm gonna learn anything from this. I don't think I did that on purpose. So am I just missing the walkthrough at this point? I probably just... How to make basic NPC, and how NPCs work. Copy and paste the NPC base you want to use. Where do I get these, though? Is this video still around? Waiting for the down a bone tome. Wait. Can we get more than 3 pixels? Is that an option? Oh, thank you. If you can find it, I appreciate that. Okay, download custom NPC SDK .rar Bone Tome archive. Yeah, I didn't start modding during Boneworks. I feel like if I had started modding back then, I would have a better chance right now because a lot of stuff carried over and it wasn't really like brought back up, so it's hard to tell like what works in Boneworks and Bonelab, what only works in one or the other, you know. So that's the trick to trying to find information is like, is this gonna work? Is this outdated information, or does this still work? I feel like this is worth probably worth just watching.
The NPC to be named. Then drag the prefab into the assets window and delete the game object in the scene. In order to make a custom NPC,
wait.
if you would rather have a text tutorial, you can look at the 2 readmes in the project. To get started with physics NPCs, open the example folder, the NPCs folder, the base folder, and select one of the...
I missed something very important here, but I don't want to mix it up, so I got the one off GitHub, which this is just like a patch of the extended SDK, so this has nothing to do with the NPCs actually. Okay. I thought this was about NPC. Okay. We'll get there. Oh, wait, I found it, I think. It's okay. I don't think it has viruses in it. I trust it. Oh, okay. This is the right thing though? Okay, yeah. My bad. It was right in front of me. Smoking too much meth today. Let's see. Did you know that today in my state, marijuana was just legalized recreationally? Today? Today. For the first time, people in my state can walk into a store and purchase marijuana. 21 years of age or older. How about that? We live in good times. There are bad things about it, but there are good things about it too. Alright, I'm guessing I just dragged this straight into my assets folder. Okay. Alright, we're looking good. No no errors. Oh, this is a package. Do I just install this like a regular Unity package? Sorry. I skip steps and I miss important details. What's the readme? Alright, yeah, I just install this like a package, right? Let me move this out of the way. Yeah, import all that stuff. I am so proud of you, Rock. You've been stuck. You told me you've been stuck on that level for months, and you just finished it. Honestly, it shouldn't have taken you that long. Sorry. Where is long run in the campaign anyway? Oh, it took you 2 days? I thought you said you were stuck on it for months. Oh, that's good. Alright, is it done? Alright, we got it. We out here. Grablet stuff. Yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna copy this and rename it Spider. Let me go back to the guide. I'm not going fully off the rails yet. that your snapping point? Okay. Each prefab has multiple behaviors like aggro, wandering, passive, but for now I'm going to use the normal base NPC which acts like Ford. We love Ford. Select all the meshes above the ankle and select the rest of the visible meshes. Disable renderers. Drag the model in, set the transforms to be 0, 0, 0. I'm using the mannequin model that comes with the prefabs. Okay. And pose the model to the physics limbs. In the NPC body slash ragdoll, which uses Puppet Master to animate the ragdoll and bring it to life. I'll give a more in-depth explanation at the end of the tutorial. Okay. What level are you on now? Alright, let's drag the spider in here. How come this preview mesh is so detailed when all the other preview meshes are just like the word null or void, whatever it says? See. You just drag the model in. But delete. Just to disable the mesh renderers on all these, so. God. I feel like this is useful to me. Why would I turn it off yet? Oh, hold on. Turn this off. So spiders have 8 legs. So I am gonna end up attaching 2 legs to each physics bone, and I'm pretty sure it's fine if they're perfectly in sync. I don't really even need to add any kind of like variation, it'll be fine. But I'm gonna be like controlling 2 feet with only 1 thing. Pose. Okay, so rotate the model's limbs to align to the physics limbs colliders. Select the physics game object to get an idea of what the colliders look like. Hold control to make your rotations snap to the grid. I have an even better idea. This is a pro tip right here. If you go into your package manager and you look up, I think it's rig, yeah, animation rigging. There's an animation rigging package for Unity that gives you some tools that might make this better or easier. Maybe. So just add a rig builder. Oh, that's not what I want. Was that already there? What am I looking for? Hold. I just want the bone renderer. And then, whoops, cancel. I can just drag all the transforms this into the transforms of the bone renderer. Like so. I guess. There's a lot of stuff in here that I don't really know what it is, so I guess we're gonna find out. This level could bring motion sickness. Literally literally just playing Bonelab without moving for some people is enough to induce motion sickness. Now hold on a second. Wait just a minute here, what? Am I not getting any bones rendered? Meaning of this? I gotta go to the bathroom, I'll be right back. I have returned. I am making big spiders. Welcome back to making big spiders. Bone renderer no worky. So me sad. But I might just be doing it wrong. Am I doing it wrong? No, I got it. Okay. I did it. Okay, so now we can see the bones. Ah. Okay, what is all this? I don't understand this hierarchy here. Oh, it's deep. It's deep within for some reason. Okay, so that's that. Now I can just line up the spider. Here's the spider. This is gonna be great. I'm actually gonna make the material. Make the material. Spider. Level 5. This the good old albedo map? Think so. That looks albedo. Normal map. Fix the normal map. What's this? Specular. I'm downloading a texture channel packer real quick, so that I can combine the specular and the diffuse maps. I'm gonna try at least. A texture channel packer, the diffuse in there, RGB, and I think you just put the specular in the elf. Maybe. Hey, did that do it at all? Did that work? Why does it look like that? It looks all washed out. Haven't seen nothing like it. Oh, the emission map is set to like negative. Fuck. There we go. Now it looks good. Alright. Is this even rigged? Oh, it is. Okay. I knew that. I knew that. Alright, so I guess I'll just add a rig to this too. All 8 legs. Looking good. Messed that up. And the spider's legs are green, okay? And the crablet's legs are blue and the spider's legs are green. So first of all, I need to lower the center of mass quite a bit. Oh, welcome back. Okay, yeah, so I guess I'm just gonna lower the whole thing like that. Get the legs kind of in line. Alright, that looks pretty close already. Oh wait, I was looking at the wrong legs. What a goof. Is it gonna break it if I move these up so they're on? Or is this what I have to do? It's one or the other. Either gonna break it or make it work. Suddenly it's feeling more complicated because let's think, right? I have the two front legs here that can represent these two front legs. And then I have this back leg that can represent the back leg. Then I kind of just have these two legs in between that I don't know how to control them. It might be kind of fucked up looking. I don't know if I should scale that. Doesn't feel right. I just move this. There's more joints. there's more joints. So right now I'm like, I think I'm leaning towards like some kind of IK situation that would handle this other joint. No, not like that. Oh wait. What am I doing? Wait, no. Oh, I found it. So, like, here's the difference. This spider rig doesn't have joints unless oh, I was wrong. I was what? Or mistake. That was weird. Okay, so it's just not rendering the last joint. Kind of lame, but alright, I guess. This is gonna be interesting. I don't know how exactly this has to be lined up. I'm just trying to get it as good as I can. And what is this bone? Shoulder grip? What's that about? I guess it's like a grip point. Frankly, at this point, I'm just kind of going with the flow and hoping I'll figure it out along the way, which I'm sure I will. Still weird, just not really like being completely sure what I'm doing exactly. Am I doing this right? I have no idea. I'm just hoping for the best. Why is this? Oh. Alright, this sure is a spider. I'm like medium level optimistic that this will work. Is this the leg that's gonna follow this one? Am I making a huge mistake? Also, why is there an extra bone here? We are. Well, it doesn't have that extra. Maybe I should have made the spider a bit smaller. Maybe not. This is not a very large spider. This is probably gonna take some trial and error. I'll say it's quite likely. Might even decide that I want to like start over again at this point. Not yet. But once I've learned what I'm doing wrong, I know there's something. Any British jokes or harassment will be punished. Alright, I like this server already. Your head is gonna die? I'm assuming you meant headset. Yeah, that's what I thought. I'm glad to hear that it's not the other. Alright, here's where we're at. Okay. I've got the legs here. I've got the front legs and I've got the back legs. Just like the crablet over here. But then I've got these two other legs that are just kind of chilling. I don't know what's they're gonna follow exactly. I need to look at a spider walking real quick. Okay. So this, sorry. Whoa. This leg and this leg should be doing the same thing. And then this leg and this leg should be doing roughly the same thing. So if I just make, so this is right. This is fine. If I just make this leg do the same movement as, or make this leg do the same movement as this leg, make this leg do the same movement as this leg, should be fine. Who made spiders so creepy and why? Like, what was the idea there, nature? What were you thinking? Very disappointed in you. Because spiders are good. They eat insects that sting us and things that we don't like. Spiders are awesome, but I'm scared of them. A couple weeks ago, my cat was like playing with my jacket for some reason. I was like, why is my cat playing with my jacket? I grab her, and suddenly I pick up the jacket, and like a spider like that big falls on the floor and just like jumps under my bed, and I'm like, hell no. And fortunately, this is why I like cats, is because my cat immediately caught it and ate it, so it was no problem. So that's why you should get a cat. Currently just watching this spider walking. This is gonna be interesting. I think I'm ready to move on to the next step in the tutorial though, so that's cool. On second thought, this is all out of whack. Let me rotate these so everything is on the floor. It's just spidery things, you know? What the? All right. This is definitely something. Let's move on to the next step. Rotate the limbs to align the physics limbs colliders. Thank you. Select the physics game object to get an idea of what the collider looked like. Oh dear. Mistakes have been made. Like half size. So the question is, do I make the spider bigger? Or do I make the... I have to make the spider bigger, I think. Increase spider radius. Wait, I don't know. I don't know what the best course of action is because it was kind of working. Yeah, I know the crab robot's right here. I'm just using it for reference. So I have to somehow still keep it like conform to this. I wish I knew like what the deal with all these bones was. Helmet. That's weird. You should be able to edit the collider on the physics rig to line the colliders up with the spider. True. So do you think it doesn't matter if I was thinking that, but I was thinking it was gonna matter if like these bones is there like another joint or something? Wait, is there another joint and I'm just not seeing it? I think there might be. I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't know. No, okay. Alright, so what you are suggesting is... I'm happy for you. Just change the collider like this. And that should be fine. Okay. Yeah, so the other thing is... Wait. Can I do this? Oh, I should move this up here like this. Okay. I'm slowly figuring it out. Yo, what up, son? Okay, so wait, you're saying what I'm doing right now is probably bad? Should probably just like leave it where it is. Just like probably use IK or something to actually like animate it. Yeah. Okay, so I haven't messed it up yet, right? I don't think so. Moving the game object on the physics rig can put NPCs into a state where they're basically dead. Moving the colliders doesn't cause issues. Cool. Good to know. Do you have any idea if I can, like, just use IK to, like, move the other limbs? Because basically all I'd have to... Rock, you're gonna have to stop harassing people with the howdies and the haze. Let's see, can I just, forget how IK stuff works. It's kind of complicated. What would happen if I just put an IK rig using Unity on the spider's rig itself and controlled that entirely using the physics rig? Like, what's gonna be... I need to look ahead in the tutorial to figure out what's actually gonna be the method of, like, matching the rigs. So, like, start to put your model's bones under their respective physics limbs. Oh, that makes sense. You can test if the bone will rotate correctly and look right by rotating the bone. The physics limb. Always make sure to press Ctrl Z. Okay, so you don't want to move those at all. An example of what bones... okay. The rest of the body. Don't do this for the finger bones. Interesting. How do I add limbs, though? I'll just start with the limbs that I've got, and then I'll add on more limbs. Once I figure out how that's gonna work. So all I gotta do... take this... and... final IK. Yeah. Isn't final AK on the asset store? $40. God damn. That's actually not that bad. I'm just so broke. It's 90. It's $90. Somebody donate me $90. I thought it was 40. Must have. Oh no, Puppet Master's 92, homie. You're just too optimistic. No, it's really that's reasonable. That's a reasonable price, you know. It's just me being broke. I could buy it, but then I probably would have to like my rent would be even later. You know. Okay, maybe the spider just only has 4 limbs right now. We'll have to save up for the other limbs. Right, how does the rest of this work? You just put the bones on the under the physics rig and check that they work and Alright, sounds good. I don't know how this is gonna work out, but we'll find we'll see. Should be great. Leg 11. Shoulder L. Put that under there. No, it's fine. It's That's gonna be so bad. Could be worse, I guess, though. It's gonna be scary, I can tell you that. Tell you that. I think that's better. That's definitely a little better. better. I'm sorry, that doesn't make sense either. You might as well have just stuck with the original thing you said. Now that leg is a thing. It's hard to say that this isn't my favorite song on the whole soundtrack. I mean, anytime they hit you with that theme song. There are definitely other songs that are more my favorite song on the album. What the hell? How did this happen? Oh wait. When did I do that? Okay. Are we good? Did I mess it up? Oh, I messed it up. I messed it up, didn't I? Wait. Oh, this is... Wait. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, we're good. I just panicked for no reason. Everything's fine. I think. Okay, why did I do that? Okay. Wait a minute. I was thinking from the spider's perspective, but I think I did it backwards. Oh. That's good, I guess. Alright, have fun. Thanks for hanging out. Okay, I did that step. I've done it. Oh, okay. It says don't do this for the finger bones on the wrists. It won't look good. Unless you're a masochist. And they call somebody out. Oh, thank you. Great stream to chill on, waiting for my VR to charge and test it. Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking. I figured it would just be good for chilling, hanging out. I'm back on the guide now. Now let's talk about Puppet Master and how the NPCs actually work. First, let's talk about the dual rig system Puppet Master uses to animate the NPC's body. The way Puppet Master works is it uses the animation from the threat enemy at neutral game object. Yeah, yes, Dusty, thank you for asking. I've made many games, and well, I say I've made games. I've started like about, I don't know, let's just say 50, or a nice round 50 to be, like, I probably sunk a few hundred hours into about 50 separate. Oh, you made this guide! Oh, that's cool. No, it's working for me so far. Yeah, it's better than nothing for sure, you know? Yeah. Yep. But no, I made like a lot of things in Unity, like of all sorts of different types of things. I'm just now getting into modding because I feel like it'll be more fun and accessible and just easier in general. Wait. We built the Nazi zombies off Dusty's NPCs. I'd say they were very good to work off of. Yeah, you've done a service. You've done a service to humanity. Oh wait, you can give your own limbs by going to the physics game object, copying and pasting one of the muscles, and applying your own bone and limb to it. They have to be perfectly aligned to each other, so make sure the skeleton bones to make the physics limb or set the transfer. So can I use that to control the other two limbs? Because like this limb should pretty much be doing the same thing as this limb, and then like vice versa, and you know. So what you're talking about here with the muscles and stuff, is that what that's all about? Only modding can be fun until you enter Ult Event Hell. Yeah, that's kind of why I'm like waiting for the official support from Stress Level 0, you know? Like I think it's really great that people have managed to make it accessible at this moment in time, but like yeah, it's very it's a struggle trying to figure out like what anything does. It's like, oh, there's 50 variables on this, and I don't know what the heck they do. Oh, I was just saying, like, do you think this muscle thing that you're talking about, right here, can I use that to, like, control the other two limbs by just kind of having them mirror, like, the ones, like this one would just kind of mirror this one and all the other ones? Yeah, you've done a service to humanity with this guide for sure. Muscle. Okay, that's the end of the guide. Okay. Yes. Good to know. I was getting worried. If you want to give an NPC custom animations when you import any animation from a model, set the animation type to humanoid and put your animator in. You're done. I am fully expecting some jank. I'm really embracing the jank at this point. Where's the Puppet Master script? It's like... under physics rig? Okay. Humanoid config, so, I have a feeling that the humanoid rig doesn't really apply to the crablets, but I could be wrong there. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is so interesting. Muscle spring, muscle damper. What does muscle weight do? Did you put that in the guide? It's just... oh, there's tooltips for all this stuff. Is there tooltips for the other stuff? Hold on, hold on. This is a different SDK than I was using before, kind of. If I just go to the box grip... now this stuff doesn't have tooltips, okay. Oh wait. No. Still the same. I'm trying to find out what things do. Oh, Puppet Master is its own is not created by SLZ. Yeah, yeah. Do they just not use comments? What's the problem? Do their coders not use comments? Okay, that's good to know. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. I'm sure it's not as bad. Have you have you seen those videos where people go into Valve's code and like make fun of it? They leave like funny comments and stuff. Yeah. Yeah, they don't normally. But who knows, that might just be like, it could just be a symptom of the half-baked kind of SDK that they released. Which, if we can be honest, like the biggest mistake they made with the release of Bonelab is just kind of calling it done a little too early. You know, the way that Brandon described it was he says like, oh, during the pandemic we were kind of you know, just adding a feature here and then adding another feature and then just like kept adding on to it, and then eventually they just said, okay, Bonelab is done now, and then they released it. But I think, and they probably didn't realize it was going to take so much more time to make the SDK, or to like finish it and make it what it should be. So they probably just jumped the gun on that. That's my 2 cents. So I'm trying to understand. I'm kind of low on time. I have to leave for work pretty much like pretty soon, but since I've got you here, Dusty, if you are still here, Do you want me to just get in voice chat real quick? I can, so you can try to, like, walk me through... maybe not right now. I probably don't have enough time to like, get this sorted. Only Melon is working on the SDK, is under NDA, and can't really be open to the community about the SDK? Oh. I didn't know they just, I didn't know they just put one person on the SDK. And everybody else just working on their next game. Interesting. Yeah, so, I really have to get ready for work, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream here, but I'm really glad that everybody is hanging out. This was like a lot of fun. So, yeah, I pretty much stream like every single day, like around this time, like 11:30 to around like 2 or 3. So, please, stop by anytime. Yeah. It'll be just like this. It's consistent. There's consistency here. Thanks. Yeah, for sure. I will be present. Probably tonight, yeah. Tonight? I guess by the time I get off work, it'll be like 3 a.m. for you, probably, Hunter. Yeah, because I'll get off for me around like about like 5 or 6 hours from now, so that'd be too late. But I'll probably try to stream some. Okay, well you maybe up. That's good. That's cool. Might try to stream some BoneZ if anybody else is down to play later. Yeah. Ongoing joke. Hunter will be up. Okay. Yeah. Disgusting British time zone. I won't go too hard on the British because I don't know you very well. I don't know you, and I don't want to just copy Hassan. You know, Hassan Piker is like, fuck British people. They're the worst. Yeah. Alrighty. Well, thanks for stopping by, everybody. I had a great time. Alright. Peace.